cancer is a stroke of bad luck. किसी को भी हो सकता है और जिसको हुआ बुरी किस्मत है. But research is now telling us more about who could be possibly prone. How do you see nutrition and what we are eating, the lifestyle, how do you see that fit the story?
Nothing is in isolation, actually.
Yes.
An example is that WHO has issued an advisory that 20% of the cancers are going to be linked to overweight. Obesity is the cause for 20% of the cancers. We used to say that tobacco is 40%. Now add obesity to it, 20%. Now, how does obesity happen? There is a imbalance in what you eat, what you burn, and the quality of food you eat. Now, food is one of the very highly researched part of the cancer story. We know that vegetarian, Mediterranean type of diet is more protective. One key example, colorectal cancer wasn't very prevalent in this part of the world, largely because of the vegetarian diet. So there is always an upside and a downside to every diet. Now, the colon cancer incidence is increasing in India because our diets have shifted from being vegetarian to now we are getting non-vegetarian foods, and also processing and ultra processing.
Yes.
The second part of diet is, which is invisible. We eat what is visible. What is there in the diet? Now the next tobacco or next smoking is insecticides and pesticides. Many cancers have been now mapped out, documented to be linked to pesticides. So imagine what a farmer 2,000 kilometers away is doing. That is getting into what the cow is grazing on.
Yeah.
That's getting into the water supply, and you and me in Delhi are drinking the same water. So it's gotten into the food chain. The third is the way we cook our food, and there is an ample amount of data and evidence to say that cooking foods at high temperatures, like cooking kebabs. Go to Northeast, they cook their meat on open fire.
Yeah.
The incidence of cancer in Aizawl district is equivalent to the highest incidence of cancer anywhere in the world. That's certain parts of US. They have an incidence of 400 plus per 100,000, when the national incidence is 95 per 100,000. Aizawl has that. So there is a link to that. Stomach cancer, very high in Kashmir, very high in Andhra, because pickling of the foods, very heavily salted foods, and this comes from very elegant data of refrigeration. Japan used to do their pickling of the fish, centuries old practice, because there was no refrigeration. When refrigeration came in the 30s and 40s and 50s, they stopped pickling their fish, and they started putting the fish now into the refrigerators. And the incidence of food pipe and stomach cancer dropped. So it's a very complex scenario, and what we eat is leading to a huge amount of upheaval in the body.
Absolutely, and this is so interesting that small things are impacting our lives and our proximity to disease in such a big way.
And the greens, fruits, vegetables, they are protective. Now, it's actually not appropriate to do a division based on the socioeconomic status, but as a cancer specialist, I'm used to the term poor man's cancers and rich man's cancers. And the poor man cancers are the ones where the intake of vegetables and fruits is poor.
Yeah.
And they are directly linked to the lack of fruits and vegetables in the diet.
Yeah.
So the simple things
absolutely.
translate into so much of impact.